Hi and welcome back. In this lecture we can talk about identification of reusable elements in waste. For example, if you take the e-waste industry, smartphones and other electronic items, they have lots of valuable elements like gold and copper in them. Extracting all those things is a very complicated process, and how do we even identify all the elements at a massive scale? Cyber-physical systems can be trained. For example, we can use drones to really map out, okay, this is the level of elements that can be extracted from this waste. And we can give a percentage and we can give a numerical value, a quantitative value to determine whether that amount of waste is actually worth processing. So cyber-physical systems can also identify the financial metric or the quantifiable amount that can be actually derived from waste, and that is a huge advantage for businesses rather than just blindly going and trying to extract waste and that has no economic value. In our next lecture we can talk about another application of cyber physical systems in the waste management industry. I'll see you there.